Hello, everyone, and welcome to my new vlog. Yeah, it took some time because I was at a conference in the States. I was at the amazing Microsoft MVP Summit, so it was not possible to vlog you and keep my schedule. And that's life. That's life of a blogger. Today, we're going to come back to our small application Summerfest. And maybe you see I already did some changes to make it more accessible. And today we are going to have a good attitude as a developer and do a fast pass after each change. So you see I changed some colors. So I'm going to do a fast pass of the full application. So not only the front page, but all applications, all screens. We're going to save them, and then as a developer you can save it as a reference. You can put it in your backlog, or you can send it to your manager and document what you are doing on making the world a little bit more accessible, one project at a time. So I'm clicking on Microsoft Accessibility Insights for Web. I'm going to the fast pass. It's good. On this page I have 0 shared instances. I need to go to the tab stops. I open the visual helper and I start tabbing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can go back. Very important. Then go again. Okay, good. So I don't, if I scroll and I don't see other elements that should be focusable, it's right. The question is, should it be focusable? No, it's only a visual effect. This is not the link, and if you click on it, nothing's happened. So we say this is okay. I'm going refresh to tell you something more. If I open the FastPass, you are seeing if I'm on Summerfest, if Summerfest is with a purple dot, you see also the borders are in white. Those borders are not part of the accessibility insights, and that's what's really important. This is what we call the focus state. So if you are blind, or then it shows where you are. And maybe people are asking, if you are blind, you don't see it. But if you are blind and you are consuming an application, the person looking after your shoulder or sitting next to you and looking together with you should know where you are, which element is visible. Okay, good. I'm going to my accessibility insights. I'm going to look what I can check. The keyboard navigations, all interactive elements can be reached using the tab. Yes, pass. Are there any keyboard traps? So there are no interactive elements that trap your input focus? No. There's a focus indicator that I showed. Very important. The tab order should be logical. And the input focus, if you're working with input focus, does not move unexpectedly. That is okay. I'm going to look. There's nothing that needs review. I can go back to point 1. I can export the result. And I can say the date, for example, works fine, 0 issues on April 11th, 2026. Export as HTML. And I can open it. Okay. I'm going to refresh and start tapping without accessibility insights just to prove you that it is visible also if you are not in accessibility insight phase. You also don't see a red dot here if the accessibility insights is not in testing mode. We are going to move to the liner page. We are going to start using FastPass. We are seeing there are color contrast issues. It's okay right now because then we have some things to fix. It also shows you where the color contrast issues are. Okay, we are going to back to the application here. We're going to do the tab stop test. Let's have a look. Okay. And here you can directly go to the only button, the CTA, and reserve your ticket. And you should go back. This is okay. Open this. So keyboard is okay. There are no keyboard traps. The focus indicator is visible. The top order is logical, and the input focus is okay because we don't have problems here. We go to needs review. There's nothing to review. I'm going to automated checks again. I'm going to export, and I'm going to say there are color contrast issues on the home page and tested on April 11, 2026. I can export again as HTML. And I'm going to open it. I'm going to buy tickets. It should be the same. If I click on the tab here, should be the same result as clicking here. Just why not just testing it? Just doing good usability tests. I'm opening the Microsoft Accessibility Insights. I'm opening the FastPass. I have nothing of errors from the automated checks. I'm going to start the tab stops testing. So okay. Logical order should be first the first name, second name, last name, email, phone, tickets. I should okay, and I can go to payment, and I can go back. No, and I am going to start here. Sorry, I'm going to here, and I'm going to say this pass. Okay, needs review. There's nothing to review, and I'm going to export the result. Works fine. Test it on April 11th, 2026, and I'm going to export as HTML, and I am going to open it here also. So here you see, let's put it in order. This is my index or home page. This is my booking page. So the second is the lineup. So index is okay. It's say my FastPass results. Where it is, it's where the file is. Okay, you can see what's incomplete, what's passed. There's nothing incomplete. Everything is passed. Here you see where the errors are. I can go to the errors here, and you can also see what it says you should do. So thank you all for watching, and I'm very happy that you saw this vlog and what you can do right now to export your results and to show and prove that you are working on an accessible way. And later we're going to see how we can even do more with the results and keep everything into, by example, or source control and more. But thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next accessible vlog.